This is why I never say a specific product broke me out, because the truth is you don't actually know if that product was specifically the culprit. There are so many factors to breaking out that unless you are allergic to a specific ingredient, you can't just be like, oh, I tried this product for one day and it broke me out. Like, that doesn't really work that way. And because there's so many different factors for breaking out, for example, I went away this weekend and I slept with my makeup one day and I'm breaking out here, and in my chin, but I was also using a new product last week. So is the culprit the new product that I was using, or is it the fact that I was drinking a lot of alcohol, or is it the fact that I slept with my makeup on? It's sad, but I think we live in a day and age where we love to blame our problems on something. So just because we broke out, we want to blame it on a product, we want to blame it on the brand, be like, oh, don't buy this product, it broke me out. But I want us to look at it from a more holistic aspect and see, why did we get the breakout? It may not just be the product. It could be the product, but it could also be the fact that you are eating a lot more sugar than you usually are. Maybe the fact that you are getting more sun exposure. Maybe that you have hormonal imbalance. There's just so many different factors that go behind it. So I want us to kind of look at a more holistic view of things.